Alrighty, BB.
Alright guys, well today I want to show you, we got this, it's called a grill electric kit. So
From Deerfamy.
yes, from Deerfamy. Let me get all this out of the way here. Oops,
I personally think this is going to be good
for
hurricane seasons, camping where you don't have to plug it in.
Right.
And that is the motor, the rotisserie motor.
It's Whittle.
Let me see it this way. Okay, and then hand it to me real quick, because this does take batteries, and I'm gonna go get the batteries while you assemble it.
Once I figure out how to open it. Oh, that's cool.
And that looks like 6 AA batteries.
Oh, they give you a little spray bottle.
Oh, cool.
Those are nice.
6 AA batteries, guys.
Okay. Well, okay. I can always get it out, but I can never put it back.
Yes.
Ah! Okay. Voila. Alright, let's see what this is.
Should be easy assembly.
We'll see how easy the assembly is.
This definitely is for outside barbecue because you're using charcoal on the bottom.
Yeah.
Easy.
Keep this shit heavy. Can I have my finger back, please? Thank
But that's
you.
good. That means it's durable.
It's heavy. Yeah, this stuff here is
Easy.
heavy.
Yeah, I'll get that out.
I got it. I got it. Alright, so it's this way.
It comes with a fork too.
This way. Okay.
Yeah, like I said, this would be great for camping. If you're single, you want to cook something.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay, hold on.
You're good. And this even looks like where you can put stuff in it, like chicken wings. It's a nice little size. You can probably put chicken wings, chicken chunks, vegetables. Basically, you're rotisserieing this over that makeshift barbecue.
All right, there's one side. Here we go.
That's a very neat setup. metal sounds like it's stainless steel, so
It
it's
is
got to be
stainless
durable
steel.
for the heat.
It is stainless steel. Jesus. I need more flipping coffee.
Now, some people have a thing that you can make charcoal in it first, and then you pour the charcoal into this little thing here. Or you could just put some charcoal on the bottom.
There. Now where does this blasted thing go? This goes in between here.
Yep, so those little slots.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's done.
Yep. Very easy assembly, and didn't even take that long.
Okay.
That's the pieces that it comes with. Got the tray.
All right, and then
Then we just gotta get the AA batteries.
Yep. Well, you got it on because it's turning.
Oh, is it turning? My bad. 6 AA batteries. Okay.
And then this, it's in these slots. Make sure you have them off, okay, guys? All right, now.
And for just showing purposes, we're just gonna leave the battery thing off,
Yeah.
just to show you.
So it's gonna go in like this.
I mean, that's a pretty nice size.
If you're a single person.
Well, you can cook for 2 people there.
Or 2 people, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm saying that's a pretty nice size. You can even put hot dogs in there
Yeah.
and everything. And then turn it. Oop, there we go.
Oh, this will come out.
And you got the charcoal on the bottom. This catches the charcoal. Turn it sideways so we can see the batteries again.
There you go. That's not a bad little thing for camping.
No.
For...
And let's see. It's just 1 speed.
Yeah, there's just 1 speed.
No, that is nice. That is definitely good. Again, hurricane season. And you don't happen to have any, like a propane thing, little mini propane stove or whatever.
That would be good for outside.
Easy disassemble.
Yeah.
So.
And if you had like a small griddle, camping griddle, you take this off.
And that's what the fork is for.
Yeah. You take this off, you can put your little griddle up here with your charcoal down here, and you can still cook the steak.
Yeah, because it has this,
or hamburgers.
these notches here that'll put something flat over here.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to cook hamburgers, I mean, you could put hot dogs in there. You could put
hot dogs
vegetables,
would be great in here, and vegetables.
chunks of meat,
yeah,
chicken wings. I mean,
it's nice. I like that. That's a cool idea.
Yeah, that is not a bad little nifty thing. I like how the metal is very...
It's stainless steel.
It's very
heavy.
thick and stuff.
Even this bottom tray is heavy. So, but yeah.
Yeah, so we'll definitely have the link in the description. And then the fork right there.
Yeah.
That's
like,
what lifts
like
that out of
when
there.
It's in, you take the fork here, or you can take the fork here. See?
So you don't burn your hand.
Right. So like if you're, let me get this. Let me get it back in there. Sorry guys, BB's eyeballs are here, but they're not here. So then you can take this and lift it
without burning.
without burning yourself.
Yeah.
So, no, that's a nice little get up right there. I like that.
Yeah. Again, this is the stuff that comes with it. Easy assembly.
That it is.
6 AA batteries.
Mm-hmm.
And you got yourself an electric grill. So
I mean, yeah, because you could even put shish kebabs in here. You know, if you wanted to do shish kebabs.
yeah, because on each little thing here, you can have the stick out a little bit here.
Because
you're not interfering with nothing there.
Right.
Because again, this piece here is being held on that, so it's not like a weight limit thing going on here. So it's not like you can only put so much weight in there. You could fill that sucker up, and it'll handle the weight and it'll turn.
Yep. Yeah.
Not a bad idea. A gift idea, a hurricane idea, a camping idea.
That's a nice little thing. That's cool. I like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice, like I said, it kind of deceives you before you put it together, but it is pretty big.
Bigger than I thought.
Yeah. And it's easy to disassemble.
Yeah.
So if you want for space, you just disassemble it.
Yep.
All right, BB.
So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.